Hey everyone, this is John, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about a tool that's going to help you make growing your email list and selling your online course, coaching program, or service a breeze. And that tool is called Course Creator 360. Now, in regards specifically to this tool, I want to talk about one of its main features, which is this feature called funnels, okay? So funnels are basically a way to get someone to take action on your course. And most cases, it's either to book a call, or maybe it's to sign up, or maybe it's to purchase your course or purchase your coaching offer. Now, Course Creator 360 gives you pre-built template funnels that are catered specifically for online course creators. So here we are on the Course Creator 360 dashboard, and they already provide you with a bunch of template funnels. So you have funnels for calendars, you have funnels for squeeze funnels, you have their most successful funnels, you have product launch funnels, and you also have low ticket offer funnels. And you also have system funnels as well. So these are already provided to you if you do decide to sign up for Course Creator 360 using my link down below. But if we open up their most successful funnels, how it works is that you can see these are all pre-built funnels. So if we click on their FTF webinar funnel, you can see here that these are the funnel steps. Okay, so they have a squeeze page opt-in, they have a webinar watch room, they have a sales page, and then they also have a checkout. Now, each of these steps in the funnel, you could actually go ahead and duplicate this entire funnel so that you can just customize it to your own liking. So if I click on these three dots here and then click on clone, I could rename this funnel. And so let's go ahead and rename it something like course launch funnel. Then click on confirm. And then afterwards, just wait a few seconds or a minute for the funnel to actually be cloned. Now, my recommendation is that you look around and see which funnel that suits your service or coaching program or online course first. And before you actually start editing the funnel, always make sure that you duplicate the funnel first. Okay, it's very important that you duplicate the funnel first. You don't want to be editing their template funnels just in case they make changes to it. So it's always a best practice to actually duplicate the funnel yourself. So here's the funnel that we just duplicated. So if I click on this funnel, how it works is that on the left-hand side, you have like your funnel steps, which each have their own dedicated landing page. And for each funnel, you could actually go ahead and check the stats of how many page views it's had, how many opt-ins have been made, how many sales have been made, and the earnings per page view. So you could actually edit these analytics based on date. So if you want to go ahead and go backwards to January of 2022 and see how many opt-ins you've had, you could actually adjust these date ranges as well. You also have a sales page right over here, which is going to show you all the sales that have been made specifically from this funnel. But if we go back into steps, all you need to do is that you need to click on the funnel step that you want to edit. Click on edit, and then Course Creator 360 uses a drag and drop feature for you to actually edit their landing pages. So it's a very easy to use website builder page. Here you can just go ahead and change the text. If we want to say YouTube course, money with YouTube, it's very easy to edit. On the left hand side, you have an add elements button. And so here you have text elements, you have form elements. I don't really know anyone in Course Creator 360 that actually uses a blog. You have media elements. I'm not really tech savvy. I don't really use the custom elements as much. I use countdown sometimes. I use blocks, and I use order. Order elements are especially important. So let me actually show you what that looks like. And then afterwards, I'll show you, I'll go through a brief overview of all the template funnels that's included with Course Creator 360. So on your sales page or on your checkout page, you're always going to need like an order form so that people could actually purchase your product. So here we have like an order element, and this is where your orders and items are going to appear and where people can actually check out. So if I want to go ahead and add a product to this order page, it's quite simple. You just click on products, click on add a product, and then we're going to find, let's use this landscaping membership right over here, and then click on save. Now we've added a product to this order page. So now when someone actually checks out and reaches this page, they will actually see which product they can purchase. So I'm just going to input some dummy information over here. So now you can see that this is the product that people are now allowed to buy since I linked a product to this order page. So you can really see that everything is customizable, and best of all, you don't have to be starting from scratch, okay? I highly recommend that you don't start from scratch just because number one, it's going to take you a long time, and number two, why not use a funnel that's already been proven to work before in the past, okay? So this is that that two-step order element that I was talking about before, which is right over here, order elements. Now, let me actually show you all the funnels let me show you all the pre-built funnels that actually come with Course Creator 360, which are designed specifically to sell online courses. So you have calendar funnels over here. So if you're in a team, you have a funnel where they can schedule a call and then they reach a thank you page. Okay, a very simple funnel, but again, it helps expedite the time that it would take to start this or create this from scratch. So what you can do next is, let's check out the plug and play squeeze funnels. So they have a lot of different plug and play squeeze funnels, okay? They even have a Russell Brunson Black Book squeeze funnel. So if we take a look at this one here, how it's going to look is that someone is going to opt in, then they're going to reach a thank you page. So if you want this to be your landing page, you could actually go ahead and edit this yourself. Just adjust the text, adjust the buttons, and this could work for one of your products. Now going back, they have squeeze pages, and then here they have their most successful funnels. So they have a full-time filmmaker, which is their most successful online course that they've sold. So if we check out what this one looks like, people are going to opt in, then they're going to reach a webinar watch room, then they're going to reach a sales page, and then they're going to check out and purchase, okay? So you'll have the opportunity to actually have all of these so that you can edit it to your online course or coaching program or service. So as you can see, these are the template pages that they provide. And then in order for you to edit it, all you need to do is click on this blue button. And then this is what it's going to look like from the page builder side, where you can edit it over here, okay? So you can edit this to your liking, you can change the icons, obviously change the photos to customers or clients that you've worked with. Here you can change the graph. So they really make it easy for you to get started with so that you don't have to start completely from scratch. But here are more funnels. They have a one-on-one strategy session call funnel. Okay, so if you want people to book a call with you and then reach a thank you page, they have a funnel for that. Pre-launch funnel template. So if you haven't launched your course or program or service just yet, they have a pre-launch funnel right over here as well. Okay, so you can see here that it works with an opt-in, then they get email number 2, email number 3. And once again, if you just want to go ahead and duplicate this and use this for your own pre-launch funnel template, you can use this exactly, okay? This will be provided to you as soon as you click on sites and funnels. But what it'll look like also is that if you click on edit over here, you'll see that this is exactly what they use to launch their own software that was really successful for them. So this one here is has a bit more steps as far as the funnel steps go. Let's see what else they got. They have another pre-launch funnel template. This is the one that I use. So this is a main webinar squeeze funnel where I have people opt in on my homepage, and then they reach a webinar watch room, and then they reach a sales page, and then they reach a checkout page, and that pretty much ends the funnel. Okay, the last one is like a thank you page at the last one. But I use the FTF main webinar squeeze funnel to actually drive leads on my course. They also have a low ticket offer funnel over here, which is 11 steps. So this one is going to be slightly more complicated because it's going to include upsells and downsells. But again, you don't have to start this from scratch. I mean, imagine how long it'll take you to actually go ahead and create a landing page that looks like this. Okay, let me show you. Imagine how long it'll take you to create a landing page that looks like this, where there's a lot of elements, there's a lot of copy. All you need to do is like plug and play. You just need to plug in your branding, your course, and then change the text, and it'll go ahead and work for your software or online course. But with funnels though, I'd say I come from a background of having used a lot of different online course hosting platforms. Templates are absolutely huge, and they're not just basic templates. They're templates that are designed specifically for online course creators, and then you can just edit it as you please. Now, the other thing I want to show you is that I've already showed you their most successful funnels. They also have product launch funnels right over here. In addition to that, they have low ticket offer funnels right over here. And so there's a lot of different funnels. My recommendation is that you just choose one funnel. You don't need to choose every single funnel that they have. But also, aside from funnels, if you go into the CC360 template hub located right over here, you have more funnels to choose from, okay? So you have a 6-day launch sequence pack, which includes one funnel. Here they have landing page of IG automation bundle templates. Here they have an online course website pack. Over here they have Black Friday templates as well. So key thing with Course Creator 360 is the templates are absolutely phenomenal. Just choose a template that has been proven to work before in the past and then edit it yourself. But I hope you found this video helpful as far as just a quick walkthrough on how to get started with Course Creator 360 funnels. If you guys have any questions at all, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.